Who would have imagined that after a violent storm destroyed his home deep in the mountains, one determined man would build an incredible underground shelter using nothing but his bare hands and simple tools? Hidden beside the decaying trunk of an ancient tree, he saw opportunity where others saw only rotten wood. While most people would ignore the moss-covered stump, he recognized it as the perfect natural support for a hidden refuge. Armed with only a shovel, he began digging beneath the tree. As the hole grew deeper, a surprisingly stable underground chamber took shape, naturally protected from strong winds and even capable of resisting earthquakes. After clearing the interior, he gathered dry firewood from the forest and used a flint stone to ignite a fire. Soon, warm flames illuminated the earthy walls, transforming the dark pit into a safe and welcoming shelter. Next, he built a roof by layering straw and flexible branches over the opening. To make it stronger, he carefully pressed the materials down with his own body weight and tightly wove the branches together. This simple yet effective design created a sturdy protective cover. Wanting even greater durability, he chopped thick logs with his axe, shaping them into strong support beams. He carefully installed these beams across the shelter, creating a solid framework capable of withstanding heavy rain, fierce storms, and even snowfall. With the structure complete, he turned his attention to comfort. He covered the cold ground with flat wooden planks, adjusting each one carefully until the floor was perfectly stable. Then he added hand-woven straw mats, creating a warm, soft, and moisture-resistant surface. Since the underground space lacked natural light, he crafted handmade lamps and placed them around the shelter. Their warm, yellow glow completely changed the atmosphere, turning the once dark cave into a cozy underground home. As evening arrived, he prepared dinner using fresh ingredients gathered from the forest and pure spring water. The pot slowly boiled over the fire, filling the shelter with the rich aroma of a hot, homemade meal. Finally, after an exhausting day of hard work, he sat quietly on his handmade mat, holding a wooden bowl and enjoying every warm spoonful of food inside the remarkable shelter he had built entirely with his own hands. His creativity, patience, and survival skills transformed a forgotten corner of the wilderness into a safe and comfortable underground home. If you enjoyed this incredible survival story and want to see more amazing shelter-building adventures, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next video.